السلام عليكم. How are you? كيف حالكم? Today, inshallah, we have a new lesson about family members and jobs. We start our lesson with a new greeting, which is good morning. Good morning in Arabic, two parts. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Sabah means morning. Al khair, it is two parts too. The first part, it is al, which means that, as we studied before, al khair, which means goodness. As we got it, when someone asks you, كيف حالك, you say, أنا بخير. The same word, خير. So again, good morning, صباح الخير. صباح الخير. Now, how to reply that? If someone says to us, صباح الخير, we reply, صباح النور. صباح النور. Nur means light. So notice we will use the same word sabah in both sentences here and here, but not the same ending. So if I want to start saying good morning to someone, I say sabahul khair. If someone said it to me, then I want to reply, I will say sabahun nur. Now, هذا, which means this, for one male. So, هذا, for example, I want to say, this is Ahmed. So, say هذا Ahmed. Or this is Abdul Rahman. I will say هذا Abdul Rahman. Now, the first family member today we have father. Father is ab. Ab. So if I want to say this is a father, I'll say هذا ab. Now, if I want to say my father, not only father, I want to use my with it. So I will use e after the word ab. So to say my father, I will say abi. Abi. As we studied before, ismi, that means my name. So I added e here. I'm using the same e to say my. So if I want to say this is my father, هذا أبي. هذا أبي. Please stop or pause the video here after you make sure that you understood and memorized. Please restart it again. Now, I want to say he. He means هو. هو. For example, he is Rashid. هو Rashid. He is from Emirates. هو من, which is from, هو من الإمارات. Okay, so now we have the first job here, which is teacher, male teacher. Male teacher, as you can see in this picture. So it is مدرس. مدرس, we have double R. مدرس. So if I want to say he is a teacher, I will say هو مدرس. هو مدرس. Pause the video here, please. Make sure that you understood and memorized everything. Then restart it. Now, if I want to say, this is my father, he is a teacher. So say, هذا أبي هو مدرس. هذا أبي هو مدرس. Again, هذا أبي هو مدرس. Now, pause the video here, make sure that you got it, then resume. We have the second job today, doctor, also male, طبيب, طبيب. So now I want you to say, this is my father, he's a doctor. Revise here, then tell me how to say, this is my father, he's a doctor. Write that in a paper, then I will tell you in the class what you need to do. Pause the video here. Once you make sure that you did it, you finish, resume it. Now we have the second family member, which is أخ or brother. أخ, as we can see in this picture, brother, أخ. Also, as we got here, if I want to say my brother, I will add E. So here also I will add the same E to say my brother. So أخ plus E will become أخي. 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 Now we have a new job, which is engineer. As you can see in this picture, for male. So engineer is مهندس. مهندس. So if I want to say he is an engineer, هو مهندس. My brother is an engineer, أخي مهندس. This is an engineer for boy. هذا مهندس. So now I want you to read this. Then we go to the next one. Now I want to say this is my brother. He is an engineer. هذا أخي هو مهندس. هذا أخي هو مهندس. Pause, please. Make sure that you understand and memorize. Then resume the video. Now, the next job or profession, it is طالب, or in English, students. Also male, student. As you can see in this picture, طالب, طالب, طالب. So now I want you to write then also on the same paper that you wrote the sentence here, then send them to your class, Arabic Heroes. I want you to say, this is my brother, he is a student. As we said, this is my brother, he is an engineer. I want you to say, this is my brother, he is a student. Now, pause here, finish it, then resume the video. Now, we have something to say as a greeting also. Someone is telling me about his father, his brother. This is my father, this is my brother. I would say أهلا وسهلا, which means welcome. أهلا وسهلا. So if I tell you, for example, هذا أخي هو مهندس, you tell me أهلا وسهلا. Let's stop here. Please make sure that you have done everything then send. Thank you very much. شكرا جزيلا. مع السلامة.